I'll guide you through how to create a repository in GitHub. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to www.github.com. Wait for the homepage to fully load. If you already have an account, click Sign In at the top right corner, enter your username and password, then click Sign In again. If you're new, click Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your GitHub account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click the plus icon. From a drop-down menu, select New Repository. This will take you to the new repository creation page. In the repository name field, enter a name for your project. Optionally, you can add a short description to explain what your repository is about. Then choose whether you want your repository to be public or private, depending on your preference. Below that, you'll see the option to initialize the repository. Check the box to add a README file if you want one. You can also add a 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 file or a license. Finally, click Create Repository to complete the setup.